Coming up in today's video, Jamaican man got pranked by his wife on his birthday at the airport.
If there's no Miami, there's
no Miami. Carry down fucking ramp with me, the bomber show.
Queenie talked about her engagement ring and also about some haters on her Instagram page.
Wanna say, I see a ring when I have how much in the ears, me still have on. Wanna just want to underestimate my engagement. That's just being bad man. I am the queen. If I can't buy one ring, if they can't buy one ring, I can't pay for one ring for myself because I'm my ring and at the third account.
Mackerel get put out.
I don't like a career.
Okay then people, so let's get into the video. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And big up to C Miller TV. Check them out. They're the ones who both did this prank. Happy birthday. And Kerry, you must behave yourself.
Yo, let's get the thing right. Let's get the thing right. Let's get the thing right, Joker. Guys, one time we check in, up and running again. You see it, stay tuned, I can check in and up. So guys, look like we have to try a different machine cars and that come up.
I don't understand because I got the number where it is.
Oh, where you laugh for? Yo, stop it before you talk, no man want me to
Wow. You know why that's that?
What?
Eh? Sure, it's on the camera.
Wait a say,
Sorry, you have entered invalid information. Please try another Metro C agent for assistance.
So, carry nobody up, nobody.
From me, thank you. He is a prank. There's no ticket. There's no Miami. There's
no Miami. Carry down fucking ramp with me, the bomber show.
D, you get pranked. D. Look at that hairstyle. Look at the new clothes. Look at it. Look at it.
No, stop ramping, Kerry.
Look at it.
Stop fucking play with me now. The bum buckle out there, man. Let's go.
D. We said the man trash. D.
Kerry, stop video me no man. Stop. Yo, take the video off of me no man. I want to, man. Kerry, take the video off of me and start. You hear me? I tell you, take the video off.
D is just a prank.
Take the video off of me. You hear
It's
me?
a prank.
And stop ramp with me.
It's a prank. Guys, I'm mad like shit. Me attacked about go on about your business and going on, man. Yeah. Yeah. Come here, my husband.
How much things we could have do for you? You know how much things we could have do for my fucking birthday? You carry man way at the airport and I come tell man about prank. I want me to tell you.
Man, it's just a prank. Smile.
Kerry, yo, you, the fuckery, a foolishness this.
I'm not telling a lie. What is that?
Kerry, yo, listen, a foolishness this. Kerry, stop video.
Say, the man real good hairstyle. Eh? I'm not telling a lie, my husband.
Kerry, stop ramp with me. Kerry, just stop ramp with me. You hear me? I tell you, leave me alone and avoid me, no man. Avoid me, no man.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, woman, avoid me, man. could have do much in thing, you know. I'm not dare them thing for your birthday, you know, youth. I'm not dare them thing for your birthday, you know.
It's a prank, boy.
What kind of prank you talk about? Look how much things I could have do. Look how much things I could have do. I could have go Jamaica, I could have go anywhere I want, but you chop.
Oh God, look at your body. Oh God, look at your body. Dear.
Stop calling me name, no youth want me dear man. Stop calling me name, no man.
Dear, lighten up yourself now, man.
Lighten up what kind of say? Look how much things I could have do. Look how much things I could have do. Look how much things I could have do. When I get for the fucking nothing youth, I can't man out of here. Chop.
Dear, it's your team, Kerry.
Stop calling me name. Call me name, no man.
It's a team, Kerry. It's a team, Kerry. It's a team, Kerry. I bet you say you don't do another prank in your life. Yeah?
Stop calling Kerry, stop, Kerry.
I bet you say you don't do another prank again in your life. Yeah? It's a team, Kerry. It's a team, Kerry.
Stop, Kerry. Easy and low me you. Low me you.
It's a team, Kerry. It's a team, Kerry.
That's low, man.
My husband. Oh God, look like him want to cry. Oh God, he want to cry.
Yo, just give me my money, man. Just give me my money, man. Give me my money out here, man. Give me my money out here, make take a taxi down here, man.
Oh,
yo, you're not fucking too much, youth.
Oh God, he must cry.
For my birthday, youth.
Oh God, oh.
You can't man come up bumbuckler here, yo.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't cry. Dear. Obs. Dear, come now. Where am I?
Yo, just low me na youth.
Yeah, no, sir. Dear, just come. I'm sorry. Come here. Do here. Dear. Ease yourself now, talk to me now. I'm sorry. Oh,
Low me alone. Kerry, leave me alone, no man. I'm here, man.
I cry. Oh God.
I bet them take one of them cone there and lick you down in idea. I bet them lick you down today.
No, yeah, sorry.
Just allow me alone, be a foolishness this youth.
Oh,
You could have do this any other day, be Kerry, stop video the thing, no youth. Stop video me, no youth.
oh,
You could have do this any other day, any other day. I want to choose now for my birthday.
Do you come? Come, may I make it up to you? Come now. Do you come now? Do you? Come on, we can get out.
Yo, just move from.
Okay,
Yo, move from me, no youth. Just move from me, man.
See you now, drive. Guys, not telling a lie. This is another epic one. Wanna see it? I wanna know. I feel bad actually. Oh God, he might cry. Guys, me have to go wrap up this at home.
Alright, anything negative as from now, me a black on. Say fair. Bet me. Riddle me diddle, riddle me that. Guess me this riddle and perhaps not. True or false? The film from people business cut and clear. Wanna say, I see him ring when me have how much in ears me still have on. Well, I just want to underestimate my engagement. That's just being bad, man. I am the queen. If I can't buy one ring, if they can't buy one ring, I can't pay for one ring for myself because I'm my ring and the thirds account. Secondly, if I cannot buy a ring, I can't put up with some name. GoFundMe. I GoFundMe name. I GoFund. I can't GoFund. All the camera make me talk to them. Put that camera up on me. Stop being bad mind. Stop being hateful. Don't hate, appreciate hate. Are two different things. You think I'm going to get for my engagement? Yes, do is June Plum Love. Me say, me make you see what romance is and sister love is still about. And as I say, if I have one day married and a divorce my back, me don't go and know I'm married. That two ring I have. My queen, all my forever on the same long time ring. I make do it engage me with it. You're not idiot. You're not some a successful woman. Some could buy my fiancé one ring, same broke and him not have no money. Some not spend my money for buying my own ring. What the fuck? I don't know how long I married from a little and a girl. Stop being bad mind. The queen I gonna get married one way or the other cause when God put two somebody together, nobody can cross it. Do it. Love you, baby. Say love you too.
Love you, my darling.
Alright, thank you. Put it down, probably my nephew. Down my youth, hangers, bomber clad. Put it down with them, see me. Yeah. Yeah. See there? Double tap. Double tap. Queen is so nice. That's why the man engage, okay? Deserve it. Peace out. Oh, look, I'm sweating. Sweat and look good. See my June Plum love you.
One time.
How you mean? How them feel like, you know, the youth are your queen. Yeah, thank you very much, troops. Thank you.
Where y'all go?
Yeah, move on.
Y'all move on?
Yeah, well, throw me out and I come out with my suitcase.
I don't like a carry-on, you know. I don't like a carry-on. Come on, Terry.
No, man, put me out. Man, put me out. See, my luggage.
I don't like a